Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a beautiful place called Golumale. If you want to visit Golumale, I will show you the way. First, come to Valapane, then go to the Nilandahinna. After that, pass towards Madulla and reach a beautiful village called Yati Madure. From there, you can go to the Golumale. When we hear the name Golumale, we may wonder how this name came. There are many interesting stories about this place. So let's go and explore this beautiful paradise called Golumale together. Stay with me till the end. Now I am in a village called Yatimadura. Yatimadura is a very beautiful village with a good farming environment. I can see nature on my both sides. After arriving at Yatimadura, you have take this small road to Golumale. It is a beautiful road goes through the park. Now I have come a little down from a main road. You can see the beautiful view of the village behind me. This is the road to Golumale. To go there, you have walk on a small path like this. Now you can see Golumale. There is an electric fence here as we go down. Also, I would like to say that it's not very good to come here after 4 p.m. Be careful when traveling here. Wild elephant can come to this area in the evening. So it is better not to come in the evening. Now I am going to tell you why this place is called Golumale. According to local stories, water from this large water area did not flow beyond this point. Long time ago, during the time of King Dutugamunu, 3 soldiers stayed here for the night. One of them was deaf and mute soldier. This soldier had an idea. He thought the water should be able to flow from here. So he made a small opening for the water to pass through. In the morning, the other 2 soldiers woke up and were very surprised to see what he had done. Because of this smart action by the soldier, people start calling this place Golumale. So, I don't know for sure if the legends are true or if these stones have eroded the point where they are formed like this. However, this is a sight that will amaze anyone who comes here. Because at first glance, it is difficult to imagine that water is flowing from here to the other side. So, you should come to Golumale during low water season. That's when we can clearly see these 3 stone gates. During the high water season, this rock is completely covered with water. Then we won't be able to see these 3 stone gates clearly. As I said before, the water is low today. So we can take a good look at these 3 stone gates. There is a small gate that you can see through this hole. Water comes out of the gate and there is another gate. The other gate is on the other side. Today we come on a very beautiful but also difficult and little dangerous journey. Now I am going to end this journey and head back. I would like to remind you again, if you visit Golumale, please be very careful. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much to everyone who stayed with me until the end. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.